Hi kids, happy morning. How are you? I hope you are all well and good. Today we are going to see grade 3 English. In that unit 4, one of the poem only today we are going to learn. Okay, what's the poem name? Sea Song. What's the poem name? Sea Song. Okay, what is mean by sea? Yes, seas are smaller than oceans and are usually located where the land and ocean meet. Typically, seas are partially enclosed by land. Okay, this poem is about seashell only. Okay, have you seen seashell? Yes, you see in this picture have different types of seashells, isn't it? Yes. Have you seen this type of seashells, children? Yes, near the seashore we can see this types of seashells. Here also one boy is telling about seashell only. Let me see the poem. Okay. Here you see one boy. Yes. He is telling that I found a shell. I found a shell. A curly one. I found a shell. A curly one. The boy is telling about here have found a shell near the seashore. That shell is like a curly one. Have you seen that curly? Yes, here you can see this curly seashell. Next is a lying on the sand. The shell is lying on the sand. The shell is lying on the sand. Next, I picked it up. I picked it up and took it home. The boy is telling that I picked it up and took it home. The boy picked the shell and took it to his home. Cold inside my hand. Cold inside my hand. When he took the shell in his hand, it was so cold. It was so chillness. Okay. Next. Mummy looked at it and then. Mummy looked at it and then. He gave the shell to his mom and his mummy looked at it. She held it to my ear. She held it to my ear. His mother kept the shell near to his ear. And from the shell there came a song. And from the shell there came a song. From the shell there came a song. How is that song? The song was soft and sweet and clear. Soft and sweet and clear. The song was soft and sweet and clear. I was surprised. I listened hard. The boy is telling, I was surprised. I listened hard. It was surprised to him and he listened hard because it was unbelievable to him. But it was really true. But it was really true. The boy imagined that it was true. I wish you would find a nice big shell. His mummy is telling that I wish you would find a nice big shell. His mummy said that he found a nice big shell and it was singing too. And hear it singing too. And hear it singing too. Okay, children, have you enjoyed this poem? Yes. Okay, once again we can see the poem. What's the poem name? Sea Song. I found a shell, a curly one, lying on the sand. I picked it up and took it home. cold inside my hand. Mummy looked at it and then she held it to my ear. And from the shell there came a song, soft and sweet and clear. Soft and sweet and clear. I was surprised. I listened hard, but it was really true. I wish you would find a nice big shell and hear it singing too. Okay, children, I would like to ask you one question. What are the uses of shell? Yes, small pieces of colored shell have been used to create mosaics and inlays which have been and to decorate walls. It used to make crafts also. Here you see, here have one craft. It's a photo frame. It's a used by shells only. How it looks, children? Yes, it looks very nice now. Yes. Okay, today we can learn some new words. First one, S-H-E-L-L, shell. S-U-R-P-R-I-S-E-D, surprised. H-E-L-D, held. C-U-R-L-Y, curly. C-L-E-A-R, clear. Shell, surprised, held, curly, clear. Okay, children, we can move to our homework section. Today, read the poem 2 times. Read the poem 2 times. Write new words 2 times. You can see in your book page number 36. In that, one short poem has given for you. Here you see, the sea is big. The sea is big. It is very, very big. You cannot see the other side of the sea. You can cross the sea in a ship, but you must go for many, many days. Have given some lines. Okay. Here, choose the right words have given. 4 questions have given for you. You see, first one. The sea is very, very dash. Here 2 options have given, big and far. What's the answer? Yes, the sea is very, very big. So, you want to write big here. Next, you cannot dash here or see the other side. What's the answer? You cannot see the other side. So, see. S-E-E. See. Third one, you dash can or cannot cross the sea. You can. Here you see can cross the sea. So, the answer is can. Next, fourth one, you can cross it in a dash by bus or ship. By ship, yes, you can cross it in a ship. So, answer is ship, S-H-I-P, ship. Okay, children, you can do it in your book. Use pencil only. Other homeworks, write it in your homework note. Write neatly, children. We will meet in next class. Thank you.